In today's video, I'll show you where GTA 4 save files are located and how to back up and restore them safely. Press Windows key and R key together and type %local app data %again and click on OK. Go back to app data folder, double click on roaming and double click on 1911 folder, GTA 4 profile. This is where all of your game progress will be saved. Check my video description for this Steam or Rockstar Launcher version. This is where your game progress will be saved. Just copy the profile and back up your game progress. Same thing over here. Just copy the profile and you can paste it in another location and take a backup. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore your game progress just by copy and paste it in this location and replace the file in the destination. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.